How to record a voiceover on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now in order to create or record a voiceover on TikTok, first of all tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create any video or any post. So I'm going to select a video or just click a video over here, tap on the check mark. And as you tap on the check mark, you'll be able to see different editing options over here at the right side of the screen. Simply tap on this arrow down button and just swipe up, and here you can see the option of voice. Tap on the voice option. You can select whichever mode you would want, but I would just record it on my own voice. So just tap on record and start recording. As you are done, tap on the done option at the bottom right. Simply tap on save. And that's how you can add voiceover or record a voiceover on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.